In looking for an E75795 light kit, ours went out, pull chain stuck, and so looking for a replacement in oil-rubbed bronze.
Have you replaced the light fixture or switch before? If so, how long ago?
Not since initial install of the fan.
What have you tried so far with your lighting?
The pull chain is stuck in the off position. Removed the light assembly and opened it up. The switch is in bad shape.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
Hello, I believe I can help you with this matter. So if the pull chain stuck, you can just replace that item. I will link the part below. It is an easy replacement. Let me know if this helps you. Most of these parts are universal in fans. https://www.amazon.com/switchze109 ceiling compatible lights/dp/b08c2fcbs2/ref equals asc_df_b08c2fcbs2/?mark tag equals hyprod20 and link code equals df0 and vidid equals 459486453992 and fpos equals and fnet equals g and fran equals 78 and phone equals and fwo equals and hvqmt equals and hativ equals c and hvdvcmdl equals and flosint equals and flockv equals 9005883 and if target equals pla 94403461717 and th equals 1. That is the absolute closest to rubbed oil bronze that I could find from various suppliers. Your other option would be to go directly to the Home Depot or Lowe's and buy a replacement. Again, they are all pretty much universal. I hope this helped. It is a very easy part to replace.
I did. Thanks a bunch.
Thank you. I hoped I helped a bit. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.